check out this nice Minecraft watch for kids. It comes in a very nice and presentable box with microUSB cable and a user guide. The build quality here is rather decent. The watch charges pretty quickly and stays on for a few days, no complaints here. The screen is bright and the touch menu is responsive. The built-in memory is so tiny. So we'll open these 4 screws and put in an SD card. Make sure to format it FAT32. Any other format won't work. I know that 64 gigs is an overkill for this watch, but it's my only spare card. So this watch has a few fun games and has a camera and a voice recorder and can even count steps. It all works well and it keeps kids excited and preoccupied at least for a day or two. There's a sale for this watch on Amazon now. You should click the link in the video description. Keep it real, folks.